With the Revit first workflow, there are a few different ways that can be done. I showed you the first way already, where you are designing in Revit. This way is going to show you how you can design in LightStanza. And so right now, I'm in my Revit drawing, and you can export this to LightStanza. When you do this, you'll want to make sure that you have the sync button clicked for LightStanza to Revit, and you'll want your light fixtures excluded. This button means that all the changes that you make in LightStanza automatically will go back into Revit. And so I already exported that, and this is what the drawing looks like. And so from here, I can start laying out this room here. And I put my 2x4 grid in there, similar to how we have a 2x4 grid in here. And so I can just start laying my fixtures, correct mounting height. I'm going to want to rotate my fixtures, I believe. And then we can just start copying from there and just placing at whatever spacing works. Great, now that I have those laid out, you can come back over into Revit, and you can see that it placed these little markers to note where your fixtures are going to be placed. And so from here, I can go into my architecture tab, go to component, and start placing these fixtures based on where I had them placed in LightStanza. Great. So now you have your new layout that you initially designed in LightStanza. So this is just another workflow for a Revit-centric user that wants to design in LightStanza versus Revit.